Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, as you can see here, we have a box, and today I'm going to unbox one of the phone from 12 years ago. So this is quite good phone, and when I was a kid I always dreamed about this phone, but it was very expensive at the time. So now I found it in cheap, like I paid like $7 for this phone. And let's check this phone. I don't know the condition, it was very bad, but still the seller said it's just working fine, but the condition is not that good. So let's check this phone and let's see what's inside. So as you can see here, we have a phone. One is Nokia phone. So the seller gave this to me, so I didn't pay anything for this phone. So she just put it, and we got charger, and here is the main thing, the phone. So let's open this. Okay, check this out. It's actually very well packed phone. I have to open. So as you can see here, this is the phone. This is Nokia N8 from 2010, and this is a tank phone. Actually looks really good. The condition is not that bad, and I paid $7 for this, and I saw this phone was working. As you can see, every ports are there and everything is there. So let's try to turn it on and check it. So it's vibrated. Hopefully it's turning on. Yep, as you can see here, the light and the display. So fun fact is that although this is a great phone with great hardware, but it's failed terribly because this was actually made or built to compete with iPhone 4s, or no, iPhone 4, which was released in 2010. But this phone has some UI problems, that's why it failed. So as you can see here, the phone is booted up and it's running on Symbian OS, and as you can see, everything is just the main thing this phone failed is actually it's the UI, which is really laggy. So you can see that actually is the main thing. Actually I bought this phone is for camera, and I saw that the seller said the camera is working. So I will do a comparison of the camera later on, but let's try to take some photo with this phone. As you can see, the battery is full right now, and I will try to update it because I love Migo. So if there is any ROM available for this ROM and this phone, and I will try to update it to Migo. Let's try the camera first. So it's really laggy, as you can see. I can't really scroll. I don't know where is the camera. I haven't used this phone actually, so let's try somewhere else. I couldn't able to find the camera, so hopefully it's in application. Yes, we have a camera here, and this is the camera. Hopefully you can see that, and this is 12 megapixel camera with xenon flash. And the main thing of this camera is that it has something. Let me show you. So if I can focus on that, as you can see here, the camera is now on, and if I close it, so if I close the camera, let's check. Did you see? The camera is closed. So it has camera close bracket. So when you open the camera or close the camera, so it will close the. So let's try it again. So let's turn it on again. So I think that, as you can see, it's turned on the camera. Now if I press, so the camera is off. That's actually quite amazing. So I'm seeing here that the phone is little bloated. I think the battery is gone, so I really need to change the battery. So I'll have to take it out, otherwise it may create some problem. So later on I will do that. So now let's try to take a photo with this phone and try it. So the UI is good. So here is the photo. Let me show you zooming in. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully you can see the display here. So it's really laggy, zooming and other things. So that's why it's failed actually. But this has a great hardware and it's working just fine right now. Other thing is that there is nothing to cover over this phone actually. It's really, there is nothing special more than that, but it has something else also. As you can see, it has an HDMI, so you can try the HDMI later on. It's so fragile, you can see it, it's breaking down because it was the rubbers, the materials used here are rotten already, so it's, you can see it's broken already. So later on I try to put this back. So as for now, the phone is quite good and it's working just fine. Let's see this phone, it has battery or not. It's another phone and it has battery. Let's try to turn it on. So it's not turning on. I think it has some problem, but it got the battery and everything. Oh, it got a SIM card also. So I will try this phone later on, but for now I just paid for this phone and I got the charger too, so it's not a bad deal actually. So that's it for today's. I will see you next time with another video.